Hello, I'm Renee Esquivel, and you've tuned into my YouTube channel, Technologist on the Go. Now, thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. May 14th of 2024, I reached the milestone of 1,000 subscribers. And because I had already exceeded the 4,000 viewing hours over the last 365-day rolling period, my channel officially monetized. And so I want to show you how is the channel done, so you can get an idea of what you can reasonably expect with your channel. So let's just get right into it, okay? Okay, the thing that'll be on most people's mind is money. How much do you make? Well, you can see that since May 14th, my subscriber count has now gone over 1,200. And over the last 28 days, I've had 1,500 viewing hours. And right now, keeping pace, I'm looking to get about 18,000 viewing hours per year, per 365-day rolling period. And that is important, because once you get enough subscribers to monetize, really the whole name of the game for how profitable you're going to be is going to come down to viewing hours. There's other metrics, but by far the more people watch, the more ads are played, the more revenue you earn. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the $earn button in the bottom right. And you can see that my first payment was received this week, actually, and it's $329.74. Now, about 87 of that was accumulated in May from the time my channel monetized through the end of the month. And then in June, it was about $230 that the channel made, and you get paid between the 21st and the 26th of each month for whatever revenue you've earned up to the end of the prior month. And you have to have a minimum of 100. So if you have $99.99, you're not going to get paid that month. Okay. Well, that's the main thing there. Okay, you can see that I'm getting a healthy number of views at 54,600 views. Watch hours 1,500. That's over the last 28 days. Nearly an additional 100 subscribers. And the revenue that it's estimating I will make in the current month, which is July 2024, is going to be $225. And currently it's the 23rd, and I'm at 176.73. I'm on track to get somewhere close to what the estimate is. You can earn two ways. You can earn through watch page ads and short feeds. Now, once you've monetized, you can earn money on shorts. You don't have to have that 10 million over 90 days to earn off shorts, as I'll show you right here. I've done 4 such shorts. Of course, they haven't made a whole lot of money, 16 cents, since I added them, which was over the last month. They're still doing well, because what they are doing is generating interest in my long videos. And so viewers that are watching the shorts are at least a percentage of them are transitioning to watching the longs, and that's really where it's at. Although I would certainly love to see a better number than 16 cents, but I mean, it's a process. And watch page ads, this is from the long videos. This is really where my revenue is. So right now the channel is doing well, and it's providing supplemental income. By no means can I quit my day job yet, but it would be nice, a new chapter in life. But But there we are. Your experience will vary, and I am by no means an expert. But I do like the fact that I can say I am officially a YouTuber. And that it isn't just a pipe dream, it's actually generating some income. And thank you to all those who have been supportive of my channel. I will be counter subscribing. I do that periodically to make sure that everyone who has a channel and subscribes to mine, that I subscribe to yours, and leave likes and the things that are important to build up your channel so that we can all succeed as good neighbors do. Okay, until next time, I'll say goodbye, and by all means take a look at my content. Give me some questions on this. The dialogue is helpful in many ways, but the main thing is, as people, let's share ideas and let's mutually benefit from that. So until next time, bye bye.